Hello friends, I hope you are aware that CBSE has recently issued a very important circular on 7th January which is related to affiliation, whether you are applying for fresh affiliation or you are applying for upgradation or additional subjects or extension in affiliation. This circular is very important for all of you. Here I am showing you this circular in this video, and if you have not read this circular well, I request all the people associated with CBSE affiliated schools or wanting to be affiliated to CBSE to go through this circular in detail, as this is what is going to be applicable now onward. For your reference, I am going to highlight some important points in this circular. This circular is very important for all those schools whose affiliation is up to March 2022 and those who have to apply for extension in affiliation, because they will have to apply now. Till last year the scenario was like this, that if your affiliation is up to 2022, then you were supposed to apply from 1st of January 2021 to 31st March 2021. This was the period, 3 months period, which was given by CBSE. But now, because of COVID scenario, they have made the change and they have given leverage of 2 more months. So instead of January, now the schools will have to apply beginning from 1st March 2021. So January and February, these 2 months have been relaxed by CBSE. So what does this circular say? I'm not going to go into all those details. I'm basically going to highlight what is very important, and that is there in point number 3. Important timelines to note this point. There are 3 categories of affiliation which CBSE is talking about. The first category of affiliation is this one, where they say fresh affiliation and upgradation of affiliation. So in this category, you will see that they have given the window period. There are going to be 3 window periods. It will open on 1st March, this one, and close by 31st March. The second period will open on 1st June and closed on 3rd June. The third period will open on 1st September and closed by 30th of September. So these are the 3 windows which they have given you. Earlier, like till last session, if we apply in the month of January, the fee was 50,000 rupees. If we apply in February, it would increase to 1 lakh rupees, and in March it would increase to 1.5, so on. So there is late fee fine which is to be deposited to CBSE in case we delay our extension or affiliation applications. Now in case of this 3 windows period is meant for fresh affiliation and upgradation of affiliation only, because these are one-time things. Fresh affiliation also we apply for once only, and upgradation also we apply for once only. But extension is a regular phenomena in which we keep applying for extension whenever our affiliation extension is over. Before that we have to apply for that. So for this extension in affiliation, this is extension, and this is the window which says it will open on 1st March and close on 31st May. So again they have given us a period of 3 months beginning from 1st March. If we have to apply for additional subject or section increase or change in the name of the school, change of society, trust or company, then for that the window will open on 1st of March and shall be open throughout the year. It means after 1st March, throughout the year, for these things, additional subject, section increase, change of name of school, change of society, trust company, etc., we can apply and we can keep applying throughout the year after 1st of March. What is more important is point number 4 of this circular, which says mandatory requirements for the submission of applications. So this you have to be very sure that you are meeting all the mandatory requirements. Procure digital signatures of the school from authorized service provider or Aadhaar based signatures. Digital signatures were introduced by CBSE in this session when we had to send the registrations of students' data for 9th and +1, but because many schools faced problems for these digital signatures and there were many doubts, so CBSE kind of postponed this process for registration data, but they at the same time they instructed the schools to be ready with the digital signatures for the next time. Then we have to register on the CBSE website www.cbseaffiliation.nic.in and upload all the mandatory documents, that is no objection certificate, recognition certificate, society, trust or company's registration and land certificate and safety certificates. So no objection certificate from the state education department as well as the recognition certificate, which is RTE affiliation these days. So RTE and no objection certificate, both you will require in case you have to apply for any kind of affiliation or extension of affiliation or upgradation. Along with that, all the safety certificates, building safety certificate, fire safety certificate, water safety certificate and health and hygiene certificate also you will have to keep ready before you apply for the affiliation. Then the most important change which has been made by CBSE is in this point number 4 of point 4. Upload either the DO's certificate format system generated in the online affiliation application duly signed by the district education officer or the self certification format system generated in the online affiliation application duly signed by both the principal and the manager of the school and countersigned by the authorized signatory of the trust or society or company. This is the most important point. Why am I saying is, till the previous session only DO's certificate was valid, was accepted by CBSE and DO had to sign that certificate duly signed by the district education officer. And for this signatures, schools had to struggle a lot and had to pay a lot. But now CBSE has made it optional. We need not visit DO for the same. We can go for self-certification, where principal and manager will sign and the representative of trust or association or society or company will countersign. So this is a big relief, both in terms of mental hassle as well as in terms of financial gains. But what is very important for you is to note down these dates and this point number 4. So you have to be very careful for applying. You should keep the dates in mind and the documents which you have to keep ready should be ready before you apply for the affiliation. Best wishes from my side. Keep watching Principal Rasi Gupta, and if you find this video helpful, please share with all the concerned people from all the CBSE affiliated schools or the school aspiring to get affiliated to CBSE. Don't forget to write to me in the comment box in case you have any kind of queries, or if you like this video, press the like button as well as write a few words of appreciation in the comment box, which will encourage me for making more such videos in future. Thank you very much. Please keep watching Principal Rasik Gupta. Till then, bye bye.